What are you doing, Trevor? Tell him.
I'm putting up I'm decorating the Christmas tree.
Mm-hmm.
Well, come on, get up here and do it.
Okay.
Come on, you got like a lot of stuff you got to put in here.
There's not very much, you know.
You can spread them out, too. What are those? Look at me and show me what they are.
What?
What are you hanging?
What are those?
Candy cans. Candy cans.
Candy cans? Candy canes.
Candy cans. Candy cans.
That was fine.
Candy cans. Oh.
Put one right here, look, right there.
We need some on this side, too. Can you sing a song?
Christmas is coming to town. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle bells. Open sleigh today. The little kid comes in and Santa says, "Hey!" Oh, what a wonderful day. Christmas, Christmas, foggy day. What a wonderful day. Hey! What a wonderful day. Hey! What a wonderful day. Hey! What a wonderful day.
How about right here?
Hey!
How about right there?
Yeah. So, oh, these are burning me. They burn.
They're hot, huh?
Yeah.
You all done? Trevor. Look at me. Say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
No, look at me and say it. Look at me and say it.
Trevor, look at
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.